Hello students, welcome to me to maths classes. Your question is, three distinct numbers are selected from the first 100 natural numbers and you have to find the probability that all the three numbers are divisible by 2 and 3. So first of all, we are going to find the total number of ways in which three distinct numbers can be selected from first 100 natural numbers. So the total number of ways in which we can select three distinct natural numbers, three distinct numbers from first 100 natural numbers will be equals to, आपके पास 100 numbers available है, उनमें से you can choose any of the three. So these are the total number of ways in which we can choose three distinct numbers from first 100 natural numbers. Now you have to find the probability that all the three must be divisible by 2 and 3, and the numbers which are divisible, the numbers divisible by 2 and 3 must be equals to the numbers divisible by 6. That means they must be divisible by 6. Now आपके पास कितने नंबर्स होंगे? 100 आउट ऑफ 100 नंबर्स, 1 से 100 तक नेचुरल नंबर्स में आपके पास 100 नंबर्स अवेलेबल है, एंड आउट ऑफ 100 these 100 how many are divisible by 6? You can divide 100 by 6, and the procedure is you can take, since this can also be a fractional value, तो आप इसका greatest integer function ले लेते हैं, and 100 upon 6 is 16 point something, and the greatest integer function of that will become 16. So 16 numbers are there from 100 to 16 which are divisible by 6. So the number of ways to select three distinct numbers from these 16 numbers, इन 16 numbers में से कोई भी 3 सेलेक्ट करने के लिए कितने नंबर ऑफ वेज में कर सकते हैं? 16C3. सो द रिक्वायर्ड प्रोबेबिलिटी, कि आपको प्रोबेबिलिटी किसकी निकालनी है? You have to find the probability that all the three numbers must be divisible by 6. So this is the favorable cases. So required probability is favorable upon total. Total number of ways are 100C3. This is 16 factorial upon 3 factorial, 13 factorial divided by 100 factorial, 3 factorial, 97 factorial, and that is 16 into 15 into 14 divided by 3 into 2 multiplied by 100 into 98 into 100 into 99 into 98 divided by 3 into 2, and this will cancel out, and again there is, आप डिवाइड कर सकते हैं फर्दर. किससे डिवाइड करेंगे आप? 3 से डिविजिबल है, 3 5 ज़ा 15, 3 3 ज़ा 9, 3 3 ज़ा 9. देन आपका 5 से डिविजिबल है, 5 2 ज़ा 10. देन 4 से डिविजिबल है, 4 4 ज़ा 16, 4 5 ज़ा 20, and you are left with this. Then 4 से आपका ये डिविजिबल नहीं है, देन 7 से ये डिविजिबल है दोनों, 7 2 ज़ा 14, 7 1 ज़ा 7, 7 4 ज़ा 28. Now this will again cancel out. Okay, so you are left with 4 upon, नीचे आ जाएगा 5 into 7 into 33, that is 4, that is equals to 4 upon 5 into 221, and that your final answer will become this. Okay, this is the required probability.